Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar on Share the Way You Learn It. So there are some facts that you need to share about your learning experience and how you manage to learn through this platform while working in your professional environment, also learning at home. So I would like to hear from you, and we would like to just hear what are the best practices that you do to achieve your weekly goals while learning. So there are some ground rules for participating in this webinar. So the first rule is you need to raise your hand to speak up. We'll unmute you from here and then you can speak and share your particular best practices. Now the second point is every participant will get 3 to 5 minutes for sharing their thoughts and best practices. And you need to share your best practices, how you manage work and learning together. This is what you need to share. And you need to also participate in a poll. This poll contains 3 options. So you will come to know the questions when you visit this polls part. So I would like you to just participate in the poll first. In the meantime, others will also arrive. Just be part of this poll and just nominate the things. Also type in the questions that are you all able to hear me? Type in your response. Are you able to hear me? So Shreya, I would like you to participate in the poll. As you can see the question over there. I think you have participated and checked in your option also. Write in the questions if I'm audible and clear to you. So let us start with it and hear from whoever is present here. So I would like to open the mic for Shreya. So Shreya, you can just share your experiences with us. How do you manage to learn and do good in your learning and manage to timely do everything or part of discussions or learn or participate in the activities that are applicable for your program? So kindly share with us. I'm unmuting you. You are online now. Yes, Shreya, you can speak up.
You can hear me?
Yes, definitely we can hear you.
So how I participate myself in the learning experience? First of all, I do a lot of research. So one thing I would say is like a lot of information regarding the module.
Okay.
And yeah, I look through my students' responses and try to learn from them too.
Okay.
Participation
So I hope you are working.
I'm freelancing at the moment.
Okay. So a freelancer
So
has a lot to do in the day's schedule, and still you are able to manage your studies along with your you can say the schedule of your professional life. So share something regarding that.
So Shreya, what are you doing at present as a freelancer?
Freelancing as in like what do you call? I do mostly like posters or design for logos or pretty much in those lines.
Okay, so something in the area of digital communication, if I may put.
Digital design, this is the first time I'm trying it because I already have a background on visual communication, so I'm more on like the 2D print as of now. I haven't really come to digital design.
Okay.
So
Yeah, so Shreya, what is your experience till now? It's going to be the end of module 3. So how you feel about it? What are the things which you are very comfortable about? Maybe your teammates and group mates can just listen to you and learn some very interesting things which you are doing across.
okay, so you want me to start with my entire experience?
Exactly.
So it's really comforting. This module teaches us from the basis. So since I've already taken it, it's pretty much a little bit known. Like for example, like we have to speak about color theory or like designers or artists we like. So I'm pretty much already done those in my background. So it's really comforting to know from people from different backgrounds is very inspiring and see what knowledge they have in this field.
Okay.
Get
So
it?
any good practice that you make to achieve your timely completion of your activities, your posts or submission of assignments? What is the best practice that you make? I can see most of the activities from you done on time.
I make a practice of reading the module and spending at least one day researching or do a background research on it, try to find a lot of information and judge between those which are like really good, and then after reviewing all that, the best one I would like try to put that on.
Yeah, so Shreya, is it that you do lots of internet research or you also try to access the library which Sachin has introduced during the initial webinar? Have you gone through the details in the library?
Yeah, I've gone through the details and I'm still yet to get used to the library, so I'll be using that soon. But I did go through it and see it, and it's very informative.
So Shreya, have you enrolled yourself as a part of Facebook group? Have you logged in there as well?
Yes, I have. And I keep checking up the posts that have been posted and all.
What about Pearl Live Cafe? Have you visited Pearl Live Cafe?
Not as much as the Facebook and the course module actually, but I'll keep myself informed in that too.
Yeah, that will be a good practice to make.
So Shreya, what else you look forward in terms of making your experience something which will be more remarkable? What else you look forward? Apart from such webinars which we are going to conduct time to time to know your best practices and share it across with the teammates, and some more interesting things which are going to come up in the Facebook group and in the blog. What else you look forward as a support activity in your learning process?
I'm looking forward to more what do you call using the practice of these that we are learning now. I know it's just the base of it that we are learning at the moment. So I'm looking forward when I can use this into like digital design and start. And also get to know my fellow mates and work together as a group.
Yeah, that's a good point that you mentioned, that you would like to work with the fellow mates, fellow learners that you have on the board. So I hope that you do well in your learning.
Thank you.
So any sort of support required from our side that, okay, this will make my learning more, sort of, my experience will be sort of more value adding. Anything that you would like us to do from our side that will add to your learning experience?
I think videos would also be a good idea, because
The videos which are
like,
part of your course are explaining the context well?
yeah.
Okay. So maybe in the coming future, as we are planning to, we can share some of the more interesting videos related to the respective courses, including the one which you are enrolled in.
Yeah.
That will be a great thing. That will be a great thing, Shreya. That's a wonderful thing, I feel.
Yeah, because videos would at least, like, for some of us who aren't into reading too much, it would at least help us like grab things faster.
Yeah, visual aids basically help grab things faster as compared to the notes, or you can say PDF files. So we'll try and post the best content, whatever we could find, research and develop, and we will be definitely posting it on the Pearl Live Cafe or the Facebook groups. So wherever it is found the best possible place to put on, we'll be sharing that across. And
yeah,
you will definitely find a good experience while learning.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it was nice talking to you, Shreya. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll share this PPT, this webinar recorded session with everyone, so that others can also practice whatever they might have not practiced, what Shreya was practicing, and we'll share this across. So there is one thing that I would like to bring it to the notice of everyone. So the basic things to remember during learning your course online with Pearl Live are, the first thing that I would like to remind is participate in both the courses simultaneously. As I would suggest this, because I have been communicating through my emails that I send weekly and also on Tuesdays for your progress reports and all. Second thing is participate in the post-to discussions, which are very important as a part of your course. They have some value points added to it. So if you participate in those post-to discussions, you will come across a few learnings from others also, and you will gain more. So on day 3 and day 6, you need to post to discussions. Next thing is to complete your assignment submission wherever applicable. Like in some of the courses, only quiz is applicable. In some modules, there is only discussions applicable. So wherever applicable, submit your assignments by day 7, because that will add to your grading, and the grading rubrics clearly mentions it that you have to complete these assignments to get good grades. So they have a value, they have a portion of, the percentage of contribution to your overall gradings. So be focused on the assignments, post-to discussions, the quizzes, and any problem that you face while learning. And if you face any problem related to a subject topic, you can definitely get back to your instructor by writing an email or posting to discussion related to a specific topic or a module. And you can just get back to me also by writing on to sachin.rana@pearllive or support@pearllive.com. So also participate in the Facebook group discussions and visit the Pearl Live Cafe for the latest industry updates, which we normally post there for your learnings. So thank you all for participating. We'll share this video link with all so that you can also practice things and learn better. Thank you so much.